The next step of strategic training and development is to identify training initiatives that align with and support the business strategy. These initiatives will guide the activities of the training and development function. Some examples of these initiatives are shown here. A company might choose to offer a greater variety of training programs or open up training programs to more employees or create brand new training programs for a larger number of people. It might also be interested in providing non-traditional training opportunities like just-in-time learning options. Other companies might want to invest in knowledge management and find new ways of collecting and sharing information across the organization. Still others might choose to focus on the learning culture and do more to ensure the organization and the work environment supports both learning and transfer of training. Some companies might choose one or two of these initiatives, while other companies may focus on these and more. It just depends on the organization. Some of the questions that we might ask when determining these initiatives are: what competencies are critical for success? What types of training will help us not only develop employees, but also attract and retain them? And finally, to what extent do top leaders support training? These and other questions can help us gather the necessary information to choose the initiatives that make the most sense for our situation.